Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having this medium pack news into the market today. So I don't know, it's President Trump speaks. So maybe this can be medium, but it can be high impact news. Trump can be really volatile, I guess. Moving to the charts, this is the monthly level, and we can see this FVG, which I had already explained in my previous video, so I won't be explaining it further. So now let's move to the weeklies. So as we can see that we are responding from this monthly level and moving to the further upside direction. We are currently having this equal high at this weekly levels, and our extreme target can be this monthly FVG. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly move into the further upside direction. So let's move to the daily to see what do we have in here. As we move into the dailies, we can see that this was the FVG which is disrespected by the market, and currently uh, we are within this range of candles, and the price is in between this candles range. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in here from where the flip zone has actually formed. So we can see that this is the 4-hour FVG, and the price had moved into the further upside direction. So I'm anticipating that most likely this will be the vulnerable low, and the price can possibly move down and sweep it and tap this 4-hour FVG, and then we are going to continue our journey till this high. And if that doesn't happen and we disrespect this FVG, I mean BPR kind of a structure, most likely we are going to go into the downward side, and this will be our extreme target. So let's move to the 1 hours to define our daily bias. So for now, the price is being reluctant to go lower. We can't see any FVG into the 1 hours. That means we still have this bullish phase remaining in this move. So I'm still anticipating that we can sweep this low and then tap this FVG of the higher time frame, that is 4 hour, and then we can go till this range. So let's move to the 15 minutes to define today's bias. As we move into the 15 minutes, we can't see any FVG over here. So I'm anticipating that most likely in London session, we can sweep the Asia high and then move into the further downward side. But if that doesn't happen, most likely we will tap this extreme high, I mean equal highs, and for that I'll be needing some kind of a strong structure respect into this overall move towards the upside equal highs range. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.